Hi, and welcome to Oklahoma City Public Schools Continuous Learning Program. I'm Mr. Daro, and even though school is out, we want to continue learning and having fun. I have some activities that you can do to help improve your grade for English language arts classes, but I also want you to have some fun. Oh, sorry, I already said that. Anyhow, come with me and I will show you how we will use Storyboard That. We have full access to the site and you will be able to create all kinds of really cool comic book stuff. First thing that we're going to look at is the assignment. Your objective: create a comic strip that tells the story of your favorite song using the SWBST format, which means somebody wanted but. Here are some specific instructions. Think about your playlist. Decide which song is your favorite. Now, create a comic strip version of your song. Think of it as a sort of comic strip version of a music video. Then go to www.storyboardthat.com link to complete the assignment. Okay, so let's talk about the requirements now. You're going to make a comic strip at least 5 panels long. A panel is usually a square box that contains both pictures and writings. Panels look like this. Now, the next part, you have to have at least one character, one scene, and one text item in each panel. You can choose from any of the following types of text items: the speech balloon, the thought balloon, the blast balloon, which is for loud talk, and captions, which are also known as narration boxes, and they look like this. Panel 1 will include the main character. That means somebody. Panel 2 will show the character's motivation. Somebody wanted. Panel 3 will show the conflict. Somebody wanted, but. Panel 4 will show the rising action / climax. Somebody wanted, but so. And panel 5 will show the falling action resolution. Somebody wanted, but so then. Please remember, you can make more than 5 panels if you want. Oh yeah, and please make sure you have fun. Now let's take a quick look at the Storyboard That interface so you can see just how easy it is to do this. Okay, so once you get into Storyboard That, it's really pretty easy. In each of your panels, you're going to want to include a scene. Let's pick something interesting and fun like school. Okay, make sure you put the scene in there. Each panel will have a scene. Then you can choose from all kinds of characters. And the cool thing about these characters is you can change them up as much as you want. You can change their skin tone. You can change their hair color and even make their hair color something crazy. You can change their eye color. You can even change the color of their clothes. Okay. Then, in order to include your text items, you go up here to textables, and you can include speech bubbles, and you can type in there. Don't forget about thought balloon, which you can also include. And the blast balloon. Okay. So once you're in there and once you create your panels, then you can just do all kinds of amazing things. Take your time, play with it, have fun with it. There's just so many great things in here for you to learn from while you're having fun. And when you get done, don't forget to save it. Give it a name. If it's for an assignment, then you can make sure you put that in there. Okay, so that should do it for our interface preview. So if you have any questions about Storyboard That or anything else, please feel free to get in touch with me. Thanks for watching.